P Baro. Kani kadai ka Didi Meghalaya bagi pedang sengbai P Baro syakatup kubor menta gajan mit. Cuaban pai syaki kubor ki babdia ngini pechwa yakimat bekongsan. Peteng gajing bam smai jangki MP badang Jal Jeevan thamai kentup ru yaki MP na Shillong batura ha Khasi ka baar jang ka dorbar Lok Sabha ka bakhat phra. Dang yai beteng kat tu kat ni kisnong red bompat yok boarding ban im hapdeng ke cingdum yongit kubur umentri ke tenat boarding. Kentaj umentri ke tenat PHE ya ki jing genok badan ki jing dekok trekam ha ka bayadai bat ke jing pen trekam ya ki projek JJM Harilum Garu. Entok kit ketenat housing, halor kicing kena badan kicing duna hakabaya day bat kicing penbiang ya kitin sob yeng, ucor ke seng HYC hakmat kalu kayukta. Bat sam ke Bethany Society, bat ke IIT Mumbai ya kikor pendat culture, syakinong dia cur hayau lain kra bat hayau du. Kikubor kibabania. Kasni ke baar jang ka dorbar Lok Sabha ka bakhat phra menta kasni kelas dang da kecing bam smai jang ki MP badang Jal Jeevan thamai kum ki dekhot jang ki yeng dorbar thau an na breng kini ki bala bam smai menta kasni ki dei u MP na Shillong u Dr. Ricky AJ Sengkon jang ka seng Voice of the People Party bat u MP na Tura u Saleng e Sangma jang ka seng Congress. Arspa Hendriu Pohndriu Mut ki MP ki labam smai henen kasngi, bat ki MP ki badangsa ki labam smai menta kasngi.
I, Dr. Ricky Andrew Jones Sinkon, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Thank you, Kuble Shibun Mithela.
I, Sri Saleng E Sangma, having been elected a member of the House of the People, do swear in the name of God that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the constitutions of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter. Safe constitutions.
Hadian kumbasan po arsnem jang kecing yo e kejela bapura katu kat ni teli kisnong hapo jela Meghalaya kidang don hapdeng kecing dum yongit da ka bakubur ya kani kecing shem hadian kecing curep badang shudapshen u menteri ketenat boarding u 80 mandal ulaong baka sarkar jela katmu ban penyo boarding ya barok kisnong bampat yo boarding haswa jang usnam arhajar arphopra katkum kecing ya thu jang u ketenat kaladep ban jurep ya barok kawe kejela bat kala shem bakidon katu kat ni teli kisnong red ki bampat sya kenthop ha kathop jang kisnong bampat yo boarding.
He has given a memorandum also. Very soon we'll be discussing all those issues and we'll try to sort out the problem. And if so, we'll try to see that these villages are got under electrification. We had already surveyed entire state. Tomorrow I'll get exactly whether these villages are listed there or not. See exactly the figure I cannot say, but we have done the survey already.
Menteri badai pet ya ketenat PHE, Marquis and Marang. Ula kentaj ya kikubor bala keno bagi don kicing duna ha kabayadai bat kicing pentrekam ya ka Jal Jeevan Mission lani ki projek JJM Harilum Garu. Da ka baong baka tenat kala persyang ban syashkor ya barok kijing ujor ki bayadei bat ka JJM harilum garu. Uni Menteri ula ong baun sayat lenti ha barok kawai gejala ban lum cing tip hi daladi ha ka bayadei bat ka cing pentrekam ya kani ka projek.
Last time I saw some complaints from the Chibanyang area. I've already directed the department to send the officials. Officials has gone, talked to the people, and people are very happy. It came back in the newspaper also. So we are trying to rectify whatever complaints are going. See, JJM is an ongoing project. There will be definitely some issues and concerns. We will try to rectify that. I'm not heard of that collapse. If you can kindly specify which particular project, I'll get the matter examined.
Menteri Badai ya katanat housing, Marquis and Marak. Ula pentip ba ansapan long ya kecing tokit da katanat jeng ban pencisha halor kicing keno bagi don bun kicing duna ha kabayadai bat kicing wanra ya kitin sob yeng. Ha kajuk kapor Presiden kaseng Henyautrep Youth Council uba Roy Kupar Sindram mentakasi ula lej ban ucor persya hakmat ka Meghalaya Lokayukta ha kaba ula dawa ya kicing tokit ha kabayadai bat kicing keno badon kicing duna ha kaban wanra bat penbiang ya kitin sob yeng da katanat housing.
So I have ordered an inquiry. We are going for a proper inquiry now, and only after the inquiry, I will be able to justify whether we are procured the same quality which we have already placed an order for supplied.
Kitin kajing siya ka director ng housing kipan ng new supplier ban wanra ite kitin kibalong kajing urban jong ka kade 45 mm regi kibapoy pat kapo block kite kipatang 25 adu 28 mm kihadin mangilap ha yang ni kajing thua nilabur kawi kajing dawa bakata kalong baka sorkar kade ban pulong ya kajing tokit but badai ban thung yu nunu officer ba ladau tokit ude ban khot lang ngiru banginnet chajaka ban pet lane ban lap ya kajing sisya
MLA Kamauhati constituency uba Charles Marngal rengkat bat kinong mikmat jeng kisnong baper henin kasngi kila let ban yakendo ya menteri katanat boarding Abu T Mondal bat kila IT hu ya kador khas ha kaba kila kren yakimat kibayadai bat kecing penbiang boarding Kamauhati constituency. Katkum kecing thu jong uba Marngal kadon kecing thut kha ha kaliang ka boarding electric habuan kicaka kum Kamauhati Sonidan tral bat siang ha kabala benrap ru babun teli kisnong kempat yo boarding electric hadu mentah. Kaseng child friendly Shillong kabapet na kabenta kabaha kamiat chongki kelung kena henen kasngi kala pelaj patba ya kaperta kasula kabathamai balakot kerteng ka one campaign halor kapang pedeng who can protect me I and we lani manobala banyadayanga mga bat mangi ya kani ka campaign la pelaj patba da I District Child Protection Officer East Khasi Hills District ikong Mati Warjeri katkum kacingya thu jong I Civil Society Mobilization Officer jong ka Child Friendly Shillong ikong Banabel Kharsati laong ba kacing thmu jong kani ka campaign kalong bansam cingtip sheki patba hakabayadai bat kacing don kam jong ki khlung khna bat ila kentu jerru ya ki shnong ki thau ban penbiang ya ki jakai lekai na kabenta ki khna rin. Ka office trekam jong Superintendent of Police kala penlong ya ke ciat patba da ki thok na jawai shapramer ban sam cingtip halor ke jing snew jong udrok ki pulit kila samru ya ki kot cing tho kum shibenta jong kani ka campaign hashwa ban penlong ya ke cing rakhe ya ka International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking ya ka ba ansarakhe ha ka arphon riu tarik menta ubenai Lapen long ru ya ke program Aicing Tip bat kaseng Mi Mentudu Community Social Welfare Association hajaka yang taksi. Ka Bethany Society harangkat kecing snok tilang bat ka IIT Mumbai Mentah kesengi kila sam ya ki kor pendai tak cur ki bom dan jing kita ai eru em ya ka mai mariang sha sangut ki nong dia cur hayau lai mkra bat yodu ha ka jingalang balalong ha phelau jong ka Bethany Society lai mkra. Dakani latmu ban yarab iki nong di ban pene iki cur ki chep jongki ki ba klem la dia lut ha ka ju kesengi. Kat kum kecing thu jengki samla puli IIT ya kani ka kor la ju pendan kam la jan baro ka we kari bat kani ka dei ka sien ka bening kong balawan ra ha kani ka jela.
Okay. See, for Bafibo day.
As an organization, Bethany Society, one of our major areas is how do we use technology to improve the lives of people and appropriate technology. So we are in touch with like IITs, with Department of Science and Technology. So when IIT developed this, IIT Mumbai, they got in touch with us to ask us whether we would test this Subzi cooler.
This helps, like it can preserve vegetables and fruits for maybe 1 week or something, and they will not have to do any distress sell for this. And what it needs is only water, 15 to 20 liters of water. I think Meghalaya has a lot of water and they can put it here. And it needs very low maintenance, and the maintenance also can be done by the local people. So if they get it, we hope that if it runs for at least 5-6 years also, they will get some good return.
Kaseng kan thai lom basuk. Henin kasngi kala penlong jingalang. Banya peliu jingmut haluar ki babuan ki mat. Ki baya day bat udrok bat kiwe. Ya kani kecing yalang la penlong hayeng dorbar lau jenriu bat lawan banya shimbenta da irreverent VTS langsti ibadai unong ya selok Hasan Ker Shillong bat itemen basan ba ki nyauta. Hadian kani kecing yalang la penlong ya kejing ya peliu jingmut bat ba ha ka baya day bat kejing jelai bat kejing pendan kambakla ya udrok. Kanord Liberty Higher Secondary School hajawai bat ka Dominic English UP School hanam dong e kila long kila du ha ka final jong ka lempung ya le kai football jong ka district level Subroto Mukherjee Cup kabala long ha West China Hills District kani ka lempung kabala penlong da ka office jong ka district sports officer West China Hills District kala kut no henen kasngi da ka chia khun lai tali gi ching le kai final ha kyang nang ba stadium. Kini kikan huan ki bacop kin sami khmat ya ka West China District ha ka state level Subroto Cup. Kajing elekai football district level Subroto Mukherjee Cup Arhajar Arposau jangka West Khasi Hills balapan long da ka office jangka district sport officer West Khasi Hills kalakut no henin kasngi Hamadan New Nongston ka school Kershai Government Lower Primary but Upper Primary School ka school Dabbok Langgiri Memorial Secondary School but ka school Sipsing Memorial Higher Secondary School Nong Pendeng kilong kiladu ha kani kelempung. Kini kilai teli ki school ken sami khmat ya ka West Khasi Hills ha ka state level Subroto Cup hanong ba Shillong. Mentangin pej ikijing long jingman ka sun beneng hanong ba Shillong. Kajing shit kalong arposau 0.0 degree Celsius bat kajing kriat kalong kanyo 0.0 degree Celsius kajing sngam ka hau kalong prapo a na ka shispa men step bat kandai po a na ka shispa ajan mit kajing hap slap kalong kat sau 0.0 millimeter kala bandan kajing hap slap ka ba malung bala hakikat tu kat ni kijaka Shwaban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngin ya pej biang sachisin yakimat bakongsan Beteng kajing bam smai jong ki MP badang shisha jit thamai kan thup bu ya ki MP na Shillong batura hakasi ka baar jong ka dorbar Lok Sabha ka bakhat pra Dang yai beteng kat tu kat ni ki Shnong red bampat yo boarding ban im hapdeng kajing dum kubur umentri katanat boarding Kentaj umentri katanat PHE yaki cing keno badan kecing dukok terekam hakabayadei bat kecing penterekam yaki projek JJM Harilum Garu. Entok kit ketenat housing halor kicing kenok badon gijing duna ha kabayadei bat kicing penbiang ya kitin sob yeng ucor keseng HYC ha kemat kalu kayukta. Bat sam ka Bethany Society bat ka IIT Mumbai ya kikor pendaj takjur syakinong di cur hayau lain kra bat hayau dua. Tip paralog kat tungila poisha ka bokut jong kutub khubor jingi menta ka janmiet haduk bangin daya syambiang bat pila syai kesngi kublai ya pi baro.
Good evening, viewers. Welcome to the Northeast News Bulletin. This is Hansraj presenting the headlines first. Om Birla files nomination as NDA candidate for Lok Sabha Speaker. Opposition India bloc fails Congress MP K. Suresh for post. Prime Minister Modi pays homage to emergency resistors of 1975 and criticizes Congress for trampling Constitution. Assam Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma chairs a review meeting with the Department of Medical Education and Research on a wide range of issues. Sikkim Chief Minister Prem Singh Tamang today calls on Union Minister of Jal Shakti C.R. Patil at Shram Shakti Bhavan in New Delhi.